Here's a short video to teach you how to check in for attendance on your at-home learning days. If you are a hybrid student, you will log into Infinite Campus on your at-home learning day to check in and mark yourself present. If you are an always at-home student, you will log into Infinite Campus every day to check in and mark yourself present. If you or your parent or guardian does not check in to Infinite Campus by 11:59 p.m., you will be assumed absent. You can access Infinite Campus using a web browser on a computer, on a smartphone, or using the Campus Student app on a smartphone. The Infinite Campus login is also available in Clever as a link. In order to get to Infinite Campus, let's log into Clever. We'll start by going to your school's webpage. Let's go to Students, School Resources, Clever Portal. You'll want to log in and use your username and password. Click Login. Next, you'll want to click on the Infinite Campus Student Portal Login. You'll want to enter your student username and password. It is the same username and password for Infinite Campus that you use for Clever. When you enter Infinite Campus, you'll see that you're entered into the Today tab. You'll want to go down to the check-in box down below, click on Attendance, and check the box that says, Yes, I'm here. This will mark you as present for the day. You can click the back button to get to the home screen.